Let me ask you a serious question. If your current job stop paying you tomorrow, what digital skill do you have that can still put money in your account? As women, especially mothers, we need skills that can give us flexibility, income, and security. In this video, I'll be sharing 7 skills every woman should start learning in 2026. These skills you learn it with just your phone or laptop, and again, these skills can actually pay you. Why is this matter for women? As women, we already juggle so much. We works, children, taking care of homes and everything. Any skill we must learn, first of all, must be very flexible, must not drain your bodies, must have income potential, and work even if you relocate or change life season. That is why digital skills are no longer options, they are survival skills that you must learn. What are these digital skills that you must learn in 2026 that can make you stand out and put more money into your account? Number one of this skill is digital marketing. This is one of the most powerful skills any woman can learn. Digital marketing means you helping businesses to sell online using social media, running ads, email, or content. So you can earn by selling digital products online, promoting other people's products, that is affiliate marketing, and helping small businesses get more customers online. The best part is that you don't need a degree to start. You can start with that phone in your hand. Here are the reason why digital marketing is very good for women. Number one is very flexible. You can do it anywhere. You can do it in your room, you can do it anywhere you are. And number two is scalable. You can improve from one stage to another. You can start with affiliate marketing. Next, you go into running ads for brands and businesses. You scale your as you go on. And the number three one point is that it works from anywhere. You can work anywhere with your digital marketing skills. That is number one. Number two thing or number two skills you must learn is content creation and personal branding. In 2026, attention is currency. Women who know how to create content, be it a video content, your post, your tutorial, will always have opportunities. So if you can create content, you can create content around your skills, your experience, your motherhood journey, your journey as a woman, your working experience, and all of that. Content creation opens door to so many things. Yes, as I said, it opens doors to so many things. It can open doors for you for brand deals. Companies can be contacting you to run ads for them or to do one or two things to promote their products. Then you can also do affiliate marketing with your content creation. Put your affiliate link in your content. People get to buy even while you are sleeping. So you have an affiliate income as a content creator, and also you can sell your own products. With time, when you have built your audience, any product you pitch to them, they will buy effortlessly. These are benefits you do gain when you become a content creator. And also you can coach, you can also teach people. So you don't need to be loud or perfect. Just be consistent and authentic. You're going to make money as you grow. Alright. So number three business or number three skills you must learn in 2026 as a woman is a data analysis. This is for women who like structure and logic, who want to work in corporate organization. Data analysis involves you working with data using tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, or even Java. No, not Java. Number three skills you can learn as a woman in 2026 is data analysis. This is for women who like structures and logic. Data analysis involves you working with companies. Number three, the skills you can learn is data analysis. This is for women who like structures and logic. Data analysis involves you working with data using tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, Python, depends on your level of skills. Companies pay data analysis because analysts because they help in decision making. They give them insight in quick decision making. So this skill is very in high demand globally. It works internationally. It's also good if you want to get a great remote job, and it's well paid if you stay consistent. All right. If you want to consider learning data analysis, maybe you like working in a corporate organization, corporate remote jobs or roles, international opportunity, career switching without going back to school, you can actually learn this thing online, buy courses, go to YouTube and learn this data analysis. All right. So number 4 skill that you can do or learn as a woman in 2026 is virtual assistant. This one is the easiest skills, is the easiest digital skills to start. A virtual analyst helps business owners with emails. A virtual assistant helps businesses or business owners with emails, scheduling, social media posts, customer support, replying messages on their social pages. Many women start as virtual assistants and they later specializes in so other skills. You can work for Nigerian businesses, you can work for international brands and clients, you can be an online coaches and brands. Good entry point is that if you are a beginner and you want to get started, virtual assistant is a good one for you to start with. All right, before I give you the remaining two, I would like you to click on the subscription button, follow this page. If you're getting value, comment in the comment section, share this video to anyone that is yet to know the skill to learn in 2023, in 2026, especially that your friend. Share this link to them, subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more. The 5th thing you should learn or skill you should learn is sales and online closing. Sales skills is very important. Sales is one of the skills that will never go out of demand. We sell every day. You can sell any products, you can market any product and make sales. If you can communicate well and follow up with people, you can sell digital products, you can close deals online, you can earn commission. Many women underestimate sales, but it's simply helping people make decisions. This skill boosts income in any business. You can scale up any business if you learn how to sell. If you want to go out of poverty, learn how to sell. It's very important. It's a powerful skill you should know and earn money from. Number 6 one is graphic design or Canva design. With tools like Canva, design is no longer hard. Women can earn by creating flyers, social media posts, brand designs, presentation slides, and this is perfect if you are creative and you want something very visual. You can go into graphic design. AI is already there to make life very easy for you. All right. The 7th one is that you're going to learn tech plus AI tools literacy. In 2026, women who understand AI tools will move faster. You don't need to build AI, just know how to use them. Know how to use your ChatGPT for content creation, for automation, for productivity, for marketing, to creating sales copy. AI will not replace you, but someone that uses AI can replace you. You have to learn the basic AI tools that can make your work very effective. So hear this, don't just try to learn everything at once. Pick one skill, commit to it to 3 to 6 months or even 12 months. You grow from there. Your consistency matters more than speed. So as a woman, your financial security matters. Learning digital skill is not about the trend, it's about giving you option. If you want to learn how to start earning online using digital skills and your phone, check the link in the description or in my bio or comment digital so that I can help you get a course that will teach you how to sell or learn any digital skills of your choice. Please don't forget to like this video, follow my page, and see you in my next video. Bye.